Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can turn on or turn off sleep reminders on the iPhone 13 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And on the home screen, tap on Settings. In Settings, you want to go down and tap on Focus. In Focus Settings, tap on Sleep, then swipe up to go all the way down and tap on Schedule and Options. In here, go down and tap on Options, and then we're going to go down and tap on Sleep Reminders in the Notification section. So tap on the toggle button to switch it off or switch it on. And it says Health will notify you when wind down or bedtime are about to begin for that day. And that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to go back to your home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.